2012 Ford Mustang GT. And as you can see, black. This car has been had some pretty extensive modifications done. It was done at Apple Valley Racing, which is with a Ford dealership just southwest corner of the Twin Cities, close to us here in southern Minnesota. This car shines beautifully. Man, I love the black. Give you a little quick look in the hood here. Very nice. Very nice shine to the car. This does have the 5.0, the Coyote, but it's also has a Whipple under the hood as well. So we'll take a look and we'll fire it up here in just a bit. But before I get into some of the mods on this car, I want you to always remember that you can give us a call, 507-386-1726, and you can ask to speak to a sales associate, and they'd be glad to talk to you about this car. We headed out driving it just earlier this week, and it is something. I'll tell you that. This car was done really well. Some of the mods we'll get into. By the way, if you want to see a full list of them, go to the still photos on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com, and we'll have a build sheet with mod stuff in there, and you can take a look at it. But you can see the Brembos up front here. That's part of that GT 500 package. Also the Michelin Sport 4S tires. It's got Ford racing rims. I mean, you want a mean car? This is a mean car. And like I said, we'll fire it up here in just a minute. You can see a little bit of a tint on the window there. And I will tell you this, always make sure that you are compliant with your state and local laws. Give you a spin around the back here. Again, visit us online, uniqueclassiccars.com, and you can give us a call anytime. We'd love to chat about the car. 507-386-1726. Dual exhaust. Long tube headers installed, high flow, cats welded in. Maybe a quick peek in here before we get it started up, but you can see the custom two-tone leather black with a burgundy wine insert. God, that looks good, right? That looks fantastic. Give you a peek in the back here as well. Pop this door open. Door panels look fantastic. Shaker audio system in here, by the way. Love that shifter. 6-speed manual transmission. Like I said, we're going to start it up here in just a bit. Stick around, because after this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. And he's going to take you along. Give you a little visual of what it's like to be inside the car when it's moving. Again, any questions, by all means, give us a call, 507-386-1726. Visit us online, and as I mentioned, I will post the actual mod sheet in there so you can view that with the still photos, and we have a ton of still photos with these cars. Get them up on a rack, you can see underneath, all around, very detailed stuff. Again, at uniqueclassiccars.com. All right, let's get in and start this up. Wait till you hear the rumble of this car. All right, let's give her a crank. hear me. There it is. There's a look. There's a Coyote 5.0 with a Whipple. And believe me, we've had the car out. It gets up and moves. Very clean underneath here. Looks nice. Closer look under the hood here. Bring you around back once you listen to a rumble here. Unreal. Very, very nice car. Dual exhaust. Man, really nice idle, right? Again, any questions? 507-386-1726. Make sure to visit us online, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll not only be able to watch video, including the drive that Jason is going to take just following this, you'll be able to see a ton of still photographs. And again, any questions, just give us a holler. 386-1726, area code 507. There you have it, 2012 Ford Mustang GT with a bunch of upgrades. Again, if you want to see that complete list, just visit our website, uniqueclassiccars.com, and it'll be in there with the still photographs. You can view what's been done to this car. I don't believe I mentioned yet, but if you're looking at that, it's like, it's a little bit lower. It is about 1.5 inches with Eibach suspension components. So, again, any questions, man? Once again, 507-386-1726, and you'll find this car and a host of others at uniqueclassiccars.com.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom,
one of 114,
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're going for riding a 2012 Ford Mustang. Now that boost gauge over on the left gives you an idea that there's a little extra power under the hood. This is a 6-speed manual with a nice short stick, short throw feel to the shifter. And it sounds so good. I'm gonna open the window for you when we get down to that roundabout. Now we're in 6th, cruising along. Well, let's brake a little bit. Now we're cruising along close to the speed limit at about 1400 RPM. The fuel gauge is showing almost 3/4 of a tank, temperature gauge almost halfway, battery gauge over halfway, and the oil pressure over halfway. Those are those Ford gauges that just tell you low and high. They're all in the sweet spot, so that's looking good. This car less than 23,000 miles on it, and it feels like it. Beautiful seats, beautiful interior. Exterior also looking great. Here, let's get a window down for you. Brakes are nice and smooth, of course. Corner's nice and flat. This car performs well. There's that sound. It's nasty in a good way. Find all the pictures of this. Very fun to drive Ford Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.